about a world in which computers do not only respond but speak back to you. They are not machines. They are like friends. They can speak, answer your questions, and even make you laugh with a joke. This is not a movie. It is real. Conversational AI is transforming the application of technology quickly. Conversational AI, or chatbots or virtual assistants, is computer artificial intelligence that allows humans to communicate with computers in natural language. Imagine having the ability to have a nice chat with someone who assists you on your phone or computer. That's what conversational AI is designed for. This technology is revolutionizing the way we interact with devices. It makes it easier and more natural to converse. It offers a lot of wonderful opportunities, such as customer service, virtual assistants, and even gaming. But that is not all. Now, let's explore the large components of conversational AI and take a look at some of the well-known businesses already utilizing it. Companies employing chat AI. Domino's. Ordering a pizza is faster and simpler with Domino's Chatbot AI. Customers can order by voice or text messaging, making it more convenient. The AI can even recommend custom toppings and offers. Imagine this: you tell Domino's, "Surprise me with a cheesy veggie pizza, but no olives." Just a quick conversation with your virtual pizza butler. Sephora. Choosing the right makeup is tough. But thanks to Sephora's AI personal assistant, the Sephora virtual artist, shoppers can quickly discover the best beauty products for them. The virtual assistant responds to questions, provides suggestions based on your preferences, and even provides virtual makeovers. It's having a personal beauty advisor in the palm of your hand, guiding you to the ideal lipstick or foundation. KLM. Royal Dutch Airlines. Travel is stressful, but KLM makes it easy with its AI Shabu, Ms. Blue. The virtual assistant helps travelers book flights, check in, manage reservations, and track bags in multiple languages, 24/7. Instead of waiting on the phone or standing in long lines, travelers can simply chat with Ms. Blue for quick, easy service. Bank of America. Bank of America has a virtual assistant called Erica. She helps you with everything from account balances, sending money, to paying bills in a snap. You can talk to Erica or text her. Erica makes banking easy and convenient, no more branch stop or call to customer service. Hilton Hotels. Hilton is utilizing its AI chatbot, Connie, to upgrade the guest experience. Connie assists with hotel operations and room reservations. She provides suggestions for places to visit as well. It can be used by the guest to order room service or request amenities, making the stay better and more personalized. Components of Dialogue AI. 1. Natural language understanding. NLU is like talking to someone who understands your words, feelings, and what you mean. That's what NLU does. It senses important phrases, detects emotions, and even detects sarcasm or slang. This enables AI to react in a way that makes sense, like a human would. 2. Conversation design. This brings AI conversation to life and makes it engaging. Conversation design governs the direction of the conversation, adding personality, humor, and surprise. It makes AI responses natural and adaptive, and the conversation becomes more engaging and enjoyable. 3. Automatic speech recognition. ASR transcribes what you say out loud into text. This enables AI to hear you. ASR makes your language readable for AI, even if you talk softly, have a non-native accent, or talk fast. This enables dialogues to become natural. 4. Natural language processing. NLP. NLP is the technology that enables conversational AI. NLP analyzes conversations and remembers previous conversations. It also adjusts responses based on how users act. This makes AI seem more personalized and more relatable over time. Real-world applications of conversational AI. The era of boring, robotic chatbots is over. AI chat today is wiser and more human-like. They are revolutionizing the way we communicate with companies and machines. Here are 5 fascinating ways conversational AI is simplifying life. 1. Never sleeping customer support. What if you had assistance at any time, day or night? AI chatbots can respond to questions, solve issues, and schedule appointments. They do it without putting you on hold by phone. Businesses save time, and customers smile. 2. A doctor in your pocket feeling tired. AI chatbots can analyze your symptoms, give you advice, and even make an appointment to see a doctor. No more web surfing for complicated medical advice. 3. Shopping with just your voice. You no longer need to scroll through endless lists of products. AI assistants can locate the correct product for you. They can provide answers and complete your purchase simply by speaking. 4. Smarter banking in your pocket. AI chatbots help you to check your balance, offer money tips, and even alert you to any suspicious activity. Managing your money could not be simpler. 5. Your smart home's personal assistant. Voice assistants enhance your smart home. They can switch lights on and off and regulate the temperature. They can play music, respond to questions, and inform you of the weather by listening to your voice. Conversations powered by AI are revolutionizing the way we live our day-to-day lives. The more advanced the technology becomes, the more effortless and tailored interactions will become. The future is listening. Challenges that Converse AI faces. While conversational AI is improving, it still faces some difficult issues to resolve. 1. Understanding of different ways of speaking. People speak in informal words, accents, and ways of speaking. AI has difficulty understanding all these differences, so it is difficult to respond accordingly. 2. Following conversations. Just as we recall details from a long film, AI must recall previous messages in order to continue conversations and make them meaningful. 3. Handling difficult or vague questions. Not everyone asks questions straightforwardly. AI has a hard time interpreting these. 4. Cultural and emotional awareness. Language is not just words. It involves emotion and culture. AI needs to be able to read emotions such as frustration or excitement and respond accordingly. In spite of these issues, conversational AI is evolving rapidly. AI will understand us better in the future. It will be able to respond with empathy, and therefore the conversations will be more human-like. Conclusion. Upskill your AI with iCertGlobal's Advanced Artificial Intelligence course. The field is growing, so take advantage of being in the forefront. This course offers practical experience with AI and machine learning using Python. You will learn skills that are relevant in the real world. This is a good step if you wish to develop AI-driven tools, improve customer interactions, discuss the newest AI uses. Prepare to be part of the revolution of AI.